So our next question comes from Edwin K. Edwin says, "Hi, Austin and Robert. How are you guys doing? I've been listening to your podcast since 2022, and I've learned so much. Here's my question. I have $11,000 invested in a Roth IRA using Merrill guided investments, and I wanted to roll over that money to either public.com or Vanguard. Which one should I roll over into? I'm skeptical about public.com's longevity compared to Vanguard because Vanguard's been around for such a long time. I also have $11,000 already in public, but it's in a bridge account invested into the index funds and ETFs you talk about." Robert, you want to take this question?
Yeah, I love this question. And everyone that follows this podcast knows Austin and I really, really love public.com. We both use it. We've used it for years. Let me spell out a couple things. There is a term called SIPC insurance, and Public has that on all brokerage money. It just means that anything that you have under their custody is backed and financially insured to make sure whatever happens with the platform, your money is protected. And also one way to look at it in this instance, Edwin, is that if you were to roll this over, there's a $150 bonus you could receive for rolling it in. So I have no concerns over Public. I know Austin doesn't. They're a great company. We've worked with them for a long time, invested using their platform for a long time, and we love it. Are they as big as Vanguard? Not yet, but they're definitely getting bigger year over year, and I don't think there's anything to worry about.
Yeah, let me just reiterate, nothing to be skeptical as it relates to really any online brokerage platform, no matter how long they've been around or not, assuming they are SIPC insured. SIPC protects against the loss of cash and equities up to $250,000 of cash and $500,000 of stocks held by a customer of a potentially financially troubled SIPC member brokerage firm. So it doesn't matter if it's Public or Robinhood or Vanguard or Schwab or Fidelity, any of those, right? They could all go bankrupt tomorrow. And assuming that you have less than $500,000 of stocks and less than $250,000 of cash, which you have 11,000, so you definitely are under that threshold, your money is backed and insured, and you're going to be just fine. You'll get it all back. Like, you do not have to worry about the longevity of a specific brokerage platform, assuming they are SIPC insured. And to Robert's point, yeah, Public gives you a bonus for rolling over funds off of old platforms onto their platform for the first like $0 to $250,000. I think if you like roll over to Public, they give you a $150 bonus. So 11,000 from your Roth Merrill guided investment account into a public.com Roth IRA will give you a $150 bonus. So heck yeah, that's awesome.